Hi everyone, this is a little video about roundabouts and lane discipline and signals, when to use your signals on a roundabout. So if the roundabout has 3 exits from the one you're on, so this being, if you come back onto yourself, that'll be the 4th exit. So we've got a left exit, we've got an exit ahead, and we've got an exit to our right. So basically, if you're taking the first exit out of the roundabout, we need to use the left-hand lane and we need to signal left on approach. We need to also give way to the right, as that's where traffic's going to be coming from. Nice and easy. If you are following the road ahead, second exit, you could also use the left lane again. This time no signal on approach, as this is going to be misleading to people using the roundabout behind you, and people that are ahead, you're going to mislead them that want to come onto the roundabout ahead of you. So no signal on approach, give way to your right. As you're about to pass the first exit, we need to signal left to tell the people at the exit you're coming off that it's safe for them to come on. That's nice and easy. And then finally, if you're turning right at your roundabout, it's important that you use your right hand lane or inside lane of the roundabout and you signal right on approach. Again, give way to your right, come onto the roundabout when it's safe, and as you're passing your second exit, signal left and exit the roundabout, being sure to check your mirrors before you signal. Nice and easy. Occasionally you will get people that aren't sure about roundabouts and they may be going ahead, they may be in the left hand lane and they may signal right. Now this is a misleading signal. Who's it misleading? Well, it's misleading the people that may be also in the right hand lane, also going ahead, as you're telling them basically that you're going right. So if they want to go ahead and you're signaling right, they're obviously going to think you're going to turn right from the left hand position, which could cause an accident. The reason I'm not doing a video about the actual roundabout, how to do the roundabout, is because everyone's got a different peripheral vision of where things are. Judgment and cameras, depth of perception isn't right with a camera, so it's always best to explain it, how you're going to do it, and learn roundabouts as and when you do it with your driving instructor. Much safer than watching videos on YouTube. Thanks, bye.